Hi, damsels. We are welcome back again to another awesome time of the best of quality hairstyles on your number one channel of choice, where the best and the latest hairstyles are showcased to you. BJ's Airwaves TV. We are doubling down on braid hairstyles. We brought braid hairstyles to you about 2 days ago or thereabout, and the response was massive. And in that line, we thought we should double down on that and bring you more of it. We have plethora of latest designs when it comes to braid, and in this very video you are going to see them in different ways you can think of. The Easter just gone by, and we believe you all look your very best during Easter. In about a week or thereabouts now, we are going to be celebrating another festival, which is going to be for the Muslim festival Eid al-Fitr, and we also want to inspire millions of beautiful, gorgeous Muslim ladies out there on how to look their very best in terms of hairstyles during Eid al-Fitr. So, as usual, sit back, relax, and get yourself thrilled with what we have come through for you today from the beginning to the end, and you will be glad you did. And all pros and credits in this video goes to those creative hands, great minds, the hairstylists who put all this together, as we are seeing on the heads of these lovely, gorgeous, beautiful women. Kudos to them. If today happens to be your first time on BJ's Airwaves TV, you are most definitely welcome. Please hit on the subscribe button and tap on the post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video full of fascinating, captivating, mind-blowing, exotic, unique, alluring hairstyles for you on this very channel. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Let us know where you are watching us from and also what you feel about these awesome hairstyles. And please help us to share this video for us to even spread the trend of the best of quality hairstyles across the world. I still remain my humble self, a beauty enthusiast, anything that has to do with women, beauty and fashion. BJ, I'm also the content director here at BJ's Airwaves TV, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
As the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever, we'll never have regret.